Okay guys, good morning. I wasn't able to make video yesterday because I'm not feeling well. So right now we're gonna make our video. So our balance is 11,906. So 11,906. Okay. Then what do we do here? So our we will up our unit. We may use 100 pesos per unit. So let's go. 100 we will up because I think our bankroll is sufficient now to make 100 pesos per unit. So this could be a win. So let's go. I had an high blood yesterday, so uh, I sleep early. I not feeling well yesterday, so we'll continue today. I my Today I'm feeling good. I feel good. Maybe just a matter of sleep. I don't sleep well yesterday. 2 days I don't sleep well. So sleep is very important. So don't make your sleep for granted. Okay? We lost. We had now we have ways. Bakit nabawasan to? Okay, bakit to nabawasan? Think I'm winning. 11-9. Do we bet here? Oh, it's already 12,000. Wrong. Oh my goodness. Okay, isa tayo. I don't know bakit nabawasan yung balance ko. Parang dinadaya ako dito ah. Can we see if we're winning or we're losing? It's a win. It's a loss. What's happening? Oh, should have been 400 here. Namamali-mali ako ng bet. Okay, 400 here. This is 200. 200. Should be 400. Okay, 400, 400, 100. Namamali-mali pala ako ng bet. Okay, win. Hindi ko pala na martingale. Talo na naman yung isa. Okay. 800. Hindi ko pala na martingale. Kaya pala talo. Okay, panalo yung isa. Talo na naman. Talo din. Okay, isa tayo. 1650. Talo din. Talo din. Oy, tabla. Talo din. Mhm. Picture. Oh no. Oh yes. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Dodge a bullet there. Satay. Oh, I lost here. I don't know why I'm still losing. Our target is 12,000. Oh yeah, I lost here. So this will be 400. And this will be 800. We're losing a lot here, as you can see. I lost here. Not yet. Oh, lost na naman. Lost na naman. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Reduce. Nice win. Nice win. But we still gonna bet 400. And after all that, we only have 6 units in the bag. Okay. It's part of the game. That's why we have our bankroll. Another loss. It's giving me. We up our unit. Make 100 a unit per bet. And then we're having a hard time. Okay. We still need 5 units. Okay. That's 2. Still need 5 units. Okay. Okay, that's another one. 2 units left. Last 2 units. It's a loss. Oh, it's a tie. Not a loss, just a tie. Okay, last 2 units. Let's go. Yan, there you go. But I won't bet here because it's 61. 30 plus 27, 57 plus 4, 31. So 61. So I'll not bet here. Okay, last unit. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Okay, this one will do. Last unit. I won't bet to anyone anything now because this will be our last unit. This one will do. There you go. There you go. Okay. That's all for today, guys. Still not feeling very well, but hopefully I'll get better. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below about my strategy so I can adjust. So I'll withdraw 1,000 for today. So guys, thank you guys. And I'll gonna update this. 13,081. 13,081. 13,081 equals minus. Okay. Okay, cash out tayo 1,000. Okay.